Convener of India Bloc and Secretary of CPI Manipur State Unit, Khetrimayum Shanta, has called on relevant authorities to lift internet services ban. He argued that the selective enforcement of ban by dividing hills and valleys will mislead the public. In the press meet held today at Congress Bhavan on BT Road, Shanta expressed his disappointment with the police violent actions, including use of tear gas shells against students who were protesting peacefully, which resulted in injuries to many. He maintained that India Bloc strongly condemned these actions. Shanta also noted that internet service ban has impeded completion of various online tasks. Meanwhile, he urged concerned groups to stop arson attacks at the residence of Lambem Laba immediately.
International paperless transaction even lying with the hiro, the international after the never. The life of the Baki Sati Tabutang Malay, 15 boxes in the life here. Machine young design of Hungary, at the Veni get Hindu Kaidoga, Machine internet being to was here. Machine that visible Tishanamani high low in the woman and machine high like again to it. Machine young little with an away Zamian our machines here. Machine Kotona, we don't have Hajeri, Yamiam Lab, he made the Mikasino Simba, Simba Yanga, Marileva, Mima, we Sarkar, that say he had Mama San, place, Canada, of the Hungary, Tamarida, and I didn't know it. She Bumam, she took with another way, Tony, Mamdi, Hotel, activist, the Torcos here, Machine Simpson, Campus here, Machine, lose the Berto, and Losing.
Internet thing was a highly showing Anna singer, Nahasing, online, the Putova, form Pilapto, the Anova, Wakal, Mamita, Yam, and never wondered about Nahasing, Tivane, Internet Kumba, King was the way there, Zikabatan the day, King with a highly job, apply more in the sea, me connect to Hanba, Amaga Sabnanba. Aduga masala masat vision abagi lambi da chopu mateng pang ba knowledge transport to ba ano wakal me pi basi masi ki challenges am sarkar da sula